It's tangy, creamy, and perfect for the big game day. This buffalo chicken dip will become a party favorite. All right, so I'm gonna start off by putting in my canned chicken. You can do rotisserie chicken, or you can even change it up and do tuna. Then a can of corn. Then I am adding my celery, green onions. I am doing Greek yogurt, a little bit of mayo, then garlic and onion powder, of course cheese, and last but not least, our hot sauce. Perfect for the big game without the big calories. Enjoy!